In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your battery last longer on Android. To record this video, I'm using a Samsung S23 Plus, so please keep that in mind as the process for what I'm about to show you might look a little bit different depending on the type of Android device that you have. Now, when it comes to batteries and power consumption, generally speaking, the more things that are happening on your mobile device, the faster your battery is going to be drained. So the first thing I want you to do is to head over to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the three lines. And from here, I want you to basically close all the different applications that you have running in the background. This isn't going to make a huge difference in terms of battery consumption, but it will certainly make a positive impact once we apply all the different settings that I'm just going to show you in a moment. Now, from here, what I want you to do is to basically head over to the top side of your screen and scroll down. Then scroll down once more and look for the power saving button, which is right here. Instead of tapping on it, I want you to tap and hold, and this is going to open up the power saving settings. From here, we can really see how long your battery is going to last, and this is the place where we can make the most difference. Now, as you can see on my end, I have several different options to pick from that I can enable. So if I just enable my power savings from the top right here, none of the settings below are going to be activated, and the overall battery life is going to be 16 hours, 11 minutes, remaining unchanged, just like before I enabled the power saving options. So I'm going to disable it quickly, and then I'm going to basically show you what kind of a difference it will make if you, for example, turn off always on display, or limit your CPU speed to 70%, decrease your brightness a little bit, and turn off your 5G, and several different settings like that. So let me just click on the first one. As you can see, from 16 hours 11 minutes, it goes up to 19 hours and 4 minutes. If I limit my CPU to 70%, it goes to by 2 minutes, which is not a massive difference. If I decrease the brightness by 10%, it goes up by 20 minutes. That will make an even bigger impact on the overall battery saving. If I turn off the 5G, it goes up by 10 minutes. Now, if you want to make the biggest difference when it comes to power consumption, you can limit the applications and the home screen and the mobile device in general. Basically, you're going to make it a whole lot more boring, but that's going to basically double the time your battery lasts. So I'm just going to enable it quickly to show you what that would look like. As you can see, my power saving battery life jumped to 2 days and 10 hours. So in order to enable it, I'm going to press the power button right here. And as you can see, this is what my mobile device looks like right now. There's not a whole lot going on. As I told you, it's going to look very boring. But if you want to maximize your battery life on your Android device, this is something that you are going to have to do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make your battery last longer on Android. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.